Hey, this is James at 116 Water Fountain in Glen, Burnie. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath condo, 230. Look around. All right, so you have the living room area, fireplace, vinyl plank flooring. Come out here, it's on the main level. All right, so you have a storage area. All right, come back in. Here's the kitchen. You got a microwave, dishwasher, stove oven. And you also have a fridge, washer and dryer here, water heater. You have the bathroom, closet, first bedroom. Pretty deep closet. There's beds in there. It's the owner suite. Lights are all connected to the outlets, it looks like. There's no kind of little closet there. And you have the stand-up shower. All right. Have any questions? KW Military, 443-822-3513.